Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, this is a trip from Imo to Mbaise, and we just crossed the Imo River, and the zincs you are seeing here is a Malaysian market. So when you cross the bridge, you know, while coming from Obowo, the moment you cross the bridge, you have entered Umuahia, Abia State. And when you're going from Umuahia to, let's say, Mbaise, once you cross the bridge from Umuahia side, you get into Obowo. And this view you are seeing right now, this is Malaysian market, the popular Malaysian market. And since we are going to Mbaise, we are going to be taking the Owerri, Obowo to Mbaise road, highway. And from here now, we are going to get to 7.5 junction, the popular 7.5 junction. So we'll be driving through, from Obowo down to Mbaise. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my videos. So if you want to see how Obowo looks like in November 2025, stay tuned and watch this video down to the end. If you can, I'm still going to show you Mbaise. This road that we are applying on, you can see it's very smooth, very smooth. No, maybe little pothole, just little pothole by the side of the road, but the road is okay, it's motorable. So when we get to the popular 7.5 junction, we are going to be connecting to the newly reconstructed Obowo to Mbaise road. Obowo stroke Mbaise stroke Owerri. That's the road that's going to take you from Obowo down to Owerri. It starts from Obowo and ends in the capital of Imo State. So all this area I seen right now, this Obowo, I believe that's a church, and we are very close to 7.5 junction, very close to the checkpoint. I believe there's a checkpoint in front that we are going to see. I mean, we don't pass the checkpoint, but you could see how beautiful the greenery, everything, bro. Everywhere is looking so bright. The weather is so cool because we have said bye-bye to rainy season. So that's why everywhere is so clear, it's sunny, actually. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. If I passed your village, you can tell me in the comment section. If you are from Obowo, with a part of Obowo that I traveled through or I drove through, you can tell us in the comment section. If you are from the part of Mbaise I'm going to be passing, you're going to be seeing on your screen, you can tell us in the comment section. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. So this part of Obowo is called Umungwa. This is Umungwa. I don't know, did you have any relationship with the Umungwa people of Abia State? I don't know. You can tell us in the comment section. Now this is the 7.5 junction, and this is the newly reconstructed road that I told you about. You're going to be seeing that's Kremborg. Kremborg is a reputable construction company that constructed the 6-lane road in Umuahia, and they are still the ones constructing the Onimoto road. They are the ones that did this very good job here. As you can see, the road is so smooth, very clean, newly reconstructed, street lights everywhere. If you pass this road at night, bro, you'll be amazed. You'll be like, bro, this place na Naija, but yeah, na Naija it be. So this street light you are seeing from here down to Owerri. And this is a bridge they constructed. They reconstructed this bridge. The bridge wasn't like this before. It was part of the road construction project. The drainage system is not a closed one, it's an open drainage. Well, in Abia State, most of the drainage they are constructing for us now, they close them. They close some of them. It's not bad. The most important thing be say drainage day and water they go through if it rain, that kind of thing. So the state I drove in from, which is Abia State, was created out of Imo State. That was on August 27th, 1991 by the military government of General Ibrahim Babangida. So Abia and Imo used to be one state before. We have our Igbo. If you check Abia and Imo Igbo, like it sounds alike, very much alike. We used to be one state before the creation of Abia out of Imo, you know. This road used to be in a very bad state before, but then the government of Imo State intervened and then they reconstructed this road. And now, as you can see, it's very motorable now, very smooth. People can drive freely without, being troubled or bothered about potholes, or the road being too bad. But now that has been reconstructed, people can easily travel.